Hello. You're watching the Immersive Learning Tutorials with Experizer series. This is your how-to guide for creating immersive experiences for your learning content. You are here to create an amazing video theater experience. So, what is this experience about? This experience immerses a user in a theater experience like never before. You feel completely absorbed into the experience, as it brings a realistic feel to this immersive virtual display. The theater screen is where the action takes place, and that's where the video plays. Here, you can watch a video without distractions, just as you would in a movie theater hall. Sounds fantastic? It certainly is. And, you can create all this with no coding. Now, imagine showcasing a detailed video of your product or service in this format. You could also use it to display the highlights of your organization for the current year. Or, you could display a portfolio. The options are limitless. Learners always accept new ways of learning, and Experizer is just about that. All a user needs to do is navigate using the up or down arrow keys or the mouse cursor. It's simple, quick, and immersive. Excited to create this experience? You first need to log into Experizer. Go to studio.experizer.com and claim your free account today or sign up for a subscription. From the home page, choose the video theater experience, give it a name, and that's it. Your customization will start from here. We'll now move on to understand the steps in this process. Now, let's customize your theater. On the left panel, click on the Auditorium tab. Here, you can customize the lighting, theme settings, screen placeholder image, and the branding side logo. Let's begin with change the light settings. Then, you can adjust the theme color of your theater. Do you want to make it even more visually appealing? You can add a placeholder image for the screen as well as upload logos to brand your theater experience. To ensure image clarity, make sure the images are in the recommended aspect ratio as mentioned in the experience. That was easy. Now, let's add a movie for your experience. On the left panel, select Movie tab. In the video settings, upload a video file. Next, click on the loop and go through the drop-down settings to choose whether you want to play the video on loop. Now, move your cursor over the left-hand side of the dashboard and click on Splash Screen. A splash screen is useful to add text that appears before your experience starts. This is the text that briefs your first-time user what to expect or how to use it. You can edit the content to give instructions to the user, as you can see on your screen right now. Use the options to customize it. Your theater is now ready to immerse your learners. Here are some quick tips. Remember to hit save at any point of your customization. Click Preview to view your experience. Click the Guide Me button as a guide. Move the cursor to understand individual areas of the experience. That's your online guide helping you out. Once you're ready with your customized experience, click the Publish tab and you're all set. You can also view the experience at any point under the My Experiences tab. This experience can be embedded easily with your existing courses or used as a micro-learning experience. If you have any questions, do write to care@experizer.com. Remember to subscribe to our channel for further updates.